For french fries, we'll be needing few potatoes and salt. This video I'm also gonna show you how to keep these french fries in a frozen way. You can freeze them for 2 to 3 months and you can use any time you want. So let's start making. Firstly, we'll peel all our potatoes. If you want texture like outside, you need to clean the full potato very nicely. You can see you have to peel potato like this, how clean it is. Now lightly I'll peel all the potatoes. Now I'll just add water in it and wash them. Wash potatoes nicely. Once potatoes are washed, throw away this water. Now I'll just show you how to cut them. Take a potato. This is wide in shape. We don't have to cut like this. We have to cut in the shape where the shape is very thin. Cut it from center. And then just give the shape of fries to it. Once all the fries are nicely chopped, now we'll just move on our next step. Once our french fries are nicely washed, add these french fries in boiling water. And we'll just boil it for 2 to 3 minutes until they are 20% cooked. We don't have to cook them all the 100%, just cook them at 20% cooked. After that, add salt to it and just mix them once. Add half a teaspoon of oil to it. Now just keep the flame on medium and for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see they are 20 to 25% cooked. Now I'll just off the flame, drain off all the water and pat dry them or let them dry under the fan or something else. All the excess water of french fries has been drained out. At this stage, if you want to consume it right now, you can fry them. And if you want to frozen them, then take a Ziploc bag, add these fries in it. Close the Ziploc bag, remove the excess air in it. Now froze them. If you don't have this Ziploc bag, you can also keep it in a airtight container. You can also keep it in an airtight container. You can froze this for 2 to 3 months. Now I'll just keep this in a freezer. I'll show you by frying these french fries too. Take a pan, add oil to deep fry fries. Make this oil medium hot and then we'll add our french fries. Oil is now ready to fry. It's hot. Add french fries to it. Now fries are nicely fried. Take them off. They are so much crispy in texture. Remove it on tissue paper or kitchen towel to remove the excess oil from french fries. Top them with some oregano. You can also add peri peri masala. Give it a quick mix. Add mayonnaise to it. Here I'm adding more chipotle sauce. You can also use any dressing of your choice. This gives a nice creamy texture to our fries. At last, finish it by giving a touch of chili flakes, and we are done and it's ready to serve.